A camera scan failure in Fetch Rewards usually means the app is not properly reading the receipt image, not that your receipt is automatically rejected. By the end, you'll know the main fixes to try when the Fetch Rewards camera stops scanning receipts, and how to check whether the problem is the app, the camera, or the receipt itself. Start by checking the basics inside the Fetch Rewards app. A receipt scan depends on the app being able to access your camera and process the image clearly. Open your phone settings, find Fetch Rewards, and make sure camera permission is enabled. If the camera opens but the receipt will not scan, check the receipt image itself. The receipt should be flat, visible, and free from glare or shadows. Move to better lighting, place the receipt on a clear surface, and make sure the full receipt is inside the camera frame before capturing it. Another common fix is restarting the app. Close Fetch Rewards completely, reopen it, and try scanning the receipt again. This clears temporary app issues that can stop the scanner from working correctly. If the problem continues, check for an available Fetch Rewards app update. App updates can fix bugs that affect features like receipt scanning. Open your device's App Store, search for Fetch Rewards, and install any available update. Your phone can also affect scanning. If other apps cannot use the camera properly, the issue may be related to your device camera settings rather than Fetch Rewards. Test your camera with another app to confirm it is working. If you are using an older receipt, check whether it still meets Fetch Rewards receipt requirements. A receipt that is damaged, blurry, incomplete, or difficult to read may fail even when the camera works correctly. When none of these steps fix the scanner, the next step is contacting Fetch Rewards support through the app. Include details about your phone model, the app version, and what happens when you try to scan. The main fixes are simple. Check camera permissions, improve the receipt image quality, restart or update the app, and contact support if the scanner still fails. Try the permission and lighting checks first because they take the least time and can quickly identify the problem. If this guide helped you fix Fetch Rewards, subscribe for more app troubleshooting guides.